been a while since I rode this bike. And I don't want to take off these handlebars now that, because I got extra long handlebars on this bike. And I mean, they're nice, but not really needed. My phone, David, it's 8:55. Let's tell you the news. Google talking to me. Nah, bike feels pretty good. I mean, brakes definitely need to be redone, probably. I don't think... Yeah, you got a honk out here, man. .43, and it's pretty precise. I would say if anything, it's off by a mile. Here we go, speed band, baby. .44. Oh, Google's just going nuts. I think that one needs to be redone. Let's listen to the news. Let's get the hell out of here. Oh. Seat definitely is different. I mean, it's not bad to ride on. I actually kind of like it. It's cushy cushy. Why did I do that?
When children are supposed to be in amusement parks, gardens, and parks, carrying their toys and wearing
I hear that.
clothes. However, we are pulling our children.
Oh no, I'm listening to the news and it's just not good.
White shroud. This is due to the occupation.
I could have went, a while ago. I mean, right behind the white car, basically. I'd rather wait and be safe.
There was no immediate response from the Israeli military or caregivers.
Do 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 do. Now I will say that Ultra boy, that pickup, that roar. Don't get me wrong, Romeo 2's nice. It did its job. It was out there every day doing DoorDash. It was doing good. I think these handlebars.
Thousands of members of the LGBTQ plus community from around the world are marching through Washington. The US Capitol is hosting World Pride with a parade that will pass near the White House. It's a show of defiance to President Trump, who is taking steps to curtail the rights of sexual minorities. At least 3 people have been killed and more than 20 injured in the Russian drone missile attack on Ukraine's second largest city.
Nice cruising, 42. Probably doing about 40 or 41 maybe. Man, this news sucks.
In a space draped in velvet and illuminated by vintage chandeliers. Note this day goes beyond with unparalleled personalized service and attentive hospitality. Oh, and did we mention the Nomad London?
There we go. Man, na, 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 At 40, but I'm going uphill. I know it don't look like it, but the whole place. tap the brakes for the bike to slow down a little. Yeah, that front brake is driving me nuts. I mean, it works. There's nothing wrong with it. It's like either the pin or the pin or one of the pads is riding.